Hi, this is James Tolentino and Munkergale Munkbat's project for this week. Just a review for this whole week. Most of the things that we've been doing is debugging, so that took a lot of our time. But we finally got it to work. This is our home page, and there's some GUI I can fix later. But we added the feature of administrative login. So that's as far as we got, and I can let's do an example of validation here. If I log in with whatever, those are just random characters that shows you that, hey, username and password don't match. So that's it's not working. So let's actually log in with a username and password that I've created. There we go, that should work. Okay, so there we go. Login takes me to the create page. And this is here where I can create more employees. So that's good. We have validation, we have some kind of authentication, and only being able to log in through the admin login can bring you here. And we're gonna work on some more validation and make sure that this thing's secure. Nobody can just type up here create. We're gonna work on that and fix it. And to the code, so goes to the controller, administrative controller, and this is everything here. Requests using entity framework, takes it straight from the database. If it's null, doesn't work. If the password's not right, doesn't work. Temp data error message. There you go. And this is the view for the create. We also have a delete, and we have an edit. So I will put these views together so that the administrator can just have one web page where they can create, delete, edit all the employees that they want. As of right now, that's how much as we got to do. Debugging and trying to fix our errors was took a lot of our time, but we were able to at least have some sort of administrative controller. And you can see here we have an administrator table. We also have our people, employees. Then we'll create a table for products and then pretty much do the same thing so that we can also manage the products, their prices, and whatever else can be put into the database. So that is what we have, and also fix the GUI because the GUI is kind of not working at the moment. So yeah, that's what we have for this week, and that's it.